Hi there, you are watching the GetProspect tutorial. The topic of this video is how to use our extension on corporate sites. This feature allows you to scrape leads directly from companies' websites. First of all, install the GetProspect extension from our website, from the Platform section by clicking the Extension tab. Once you are redirected to the Chrome store, click Add to Chrome. When you are on the corporate website, press the GetProspect extension icon to activate it. If it is not pinned in your browser, you need to click on your extension menu near the address bar and select our extension to activate it. Once the extension is opened, you can see available contacts for saving. You can use the built-in search bar to filter out leads with certain names or job titles. You can save contacts individually by clicking the plus icons near their names. Also, you can click on the LinkedIn icon of the lead and it will redirect you to their profile. Lastly, you can press the View All Leads button and you will be redirected to the search in our database, with contacts related to the website domain you have visited. Also, you can press the Company tab of the extension to view the information about the company. Press Save Company to save the company's profile. Leads Finder tool GetProspect is the best tool for multitasking B2B sales, recruiting, and marketing managers. Get started now by signing up on getprospect.com. Thanks for watching.